This is a short tutorial on the web server part of the Magic Image Wand and how you can control it from any web browser. So the first thing to do is to set it up. You go down to System menu, System Settings, open that menu, and you will find the home page address, which most of the time will be 192.168.4.1. So once you have that, you need to find this network. So we'll scan for networks, and you will find one that says MIW something, which is the MAC address. But the important thing is just MIW. Select that one. It'll connect to that. And it'll usually give you some warning about there's no internet connection, which is true because this guy's not a web server in that sense. Now you open up your browser and you go to 192.168.4.1 or whatever address yours is specified. You go to that and you'll see the main home page, which shows you a run button, which is the currently selected file. If you click on this, you can select another one, like Flames. It doesn't update automatically at this point. I'm going to fix that code later. It requires a little scripting that I'm not an expert in yet. So you click the update button, and now you see the run button says Run Flames, and you'll also notice over here this guy changed to the same file. Now you can just click on that and it'll run it. You can see it running over here. It's not hooked up to an LED strip, so you can't see that. When it's finished, it'll go back to the home page. The other things that you can do from this web server is you can download files so the files from the SD card on the MIW will show up on your local file system. You can upload files, so if you had some BMP files here, you can send them up to the Magic Image Wand. On settings, you can see all the different settings. Not all of them, but you can see the most commonly used ones. They're arranged in groups there with a header on it. So here's the image settings, the column display time, start, delay, upside down, various settings. Under repeat settings, a repeat count if you want to repeat it. And the LED settings, you can set the brightness. And this is like the other one, it's not automatically updated. So if you change something, like we'll say upside down, the checkbox changes. It doesn't really update over on the MIW until you hit the update MIW. And then it will be updated. Okay, the last page is utilities. And there you can delete files. So it always deletes the current file. So if you wanted to change it to a different one, then you go back over to Utilities. Go back over to Utilities, and you will see now the delete file is that one. So when you try to delete it, it will confirm. You can cancel it, or you can actually delete it. You can also reboot the system. So it could be useful in case you've got a bunch of settings messed up and you just want to start over. So you can click Reboot System. Again, you get to confirm it. You can cancel it, or you can actually do the reboot. There it is. You'll see it rebooted on the left. And then you'll get this, your connection was interrupted. That's because the connection went away. It will either reconnect automatically, or you may have to go manually do it like I do here. That depends on your phone. And there it is. So that is the web server interface. There will be more things added to this. The home page here only lets you run actual BMP files. The next version of this is going to let you run your macro files from here as well. So enjoy.